Hello everyone, this is my life now in Changzhou. Every morning, here feels fresh and full of energy. I love to start my day by moving, by exploring the city as it wakes up. And as I walk, there is one special smell in the air, warm, sweet and inviting. It always leads me to the same place, the bakery. This is the Ma Gao, Changzhou's famous Sesame cake. I bought one, I felt warm in my hands. I took a bite and it was soft, a little sweet, and made me smile. A smile, happy moment. That happy tasted something beautiful. It took my mind thousands of kilometers away, back to my home in Tajikistan. In my country, our happiness comes from a different bread, our Naan. We make it with just flour, water and salt. We build a fire in a clay oven and we press the dough against the hot wall. I remember watching my family make it. The smell of baking naan is the smell of my mountains, my village and my childhood. For us, naan is more than a food. It's family, memory, and the true taste of home. I wanted to understand this new happiness, so one morning at 6 a.m., I went back to the bakery. I met the baker. He was already working, covered in a little flour. His hands moved slowly, kneading the dough again and again with a great care. He sprinkled each sesame seed carefully, one by one. Then he watched the oven closely, knowing exactly when the cakes were perfect, golden, brown and crisp. Soon, people began to arrive. An old man buying his breakfast, friends meeting for tea, a mother sharing with her child. The bakery became a morning meeting place. This simple cake was a reason to come together, to smile, to start the day in a good way. Sitting there, eating my cake, I felt a part of this morning ritual. I felt the warmth of this community. Two breads, one from my past, one from my present, both made with the patience, care and heart. This discovery changed everything for me. Changzhou is no longer just a city on a map. Now, when I walk in the park, I see a beauty. When I study with friends, I feel connection. I see the heart of the city in the baker's hand, in the people's smiles, in these cute morning moments. My home will always be the mountains of Tajikistan, but I have been given a second home here, a home in the street of Changzhou, in the warmth of its people, and in the simple, wonderful taste of this sesame cake. Thanks to all of you.